As part of its ongoing commitment to those who serve, Team Depot will complete service projects like this one nationwide.
These are going to 3 different veterans organizations around Detroit.
The foundation has pledged $750 million to veterans causes by 2030.
That is our first goal, is to take care of veterans.
Giving back is one of our big core values.
And what makes it so special is volunteer workers. See your house transform is really a blessing.
We went out there and put our lives on the line. I really appreciate it with the way we're getting treated.
You know that you're making their lives just a little bit better. You're seeing the direct impact.
We salute them for all of the work they've done to help our veterans who've sacrificed so much for our country.